How to manage ad tracking on Twitch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage ad tracking on Twitch. First thing, go to Twitch and now click this one here, and now click this one, account settings, and now click here, this one, security and privacy. And now if you want to turn off ad tracking, just click here, and if you want to turn it again, click here. And as you see, if you click, ad tracking has been turned off and now it's turned on. And that's it. That's how manage ad tracking on Twitch. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.